Guys, today I'm going to be solving this 5 by 5 Rubik's Cube, not blindfolded, but just going to just show you how I solve it normally, because usually blindfolded would take hours, because 3 by 3 took me like so much time. But just saying, so like make sure you subscribe, like and share this video with your friends or anyone. It could be, just do it so that I can make more money. I'm just saying, you can just please do it for my safety, please. I beg you. Thank you. So first step in solving a 5 by 5, you just make a cross, like just this horizontal line. Then you just see this like this, yeah, like that. Then then you just have to make this cross, as you can see, so that then you can just fill up the corners. If you guys want this Rubik's Cube, you can just buy it from Amazon. The lowest price is about 200. That's the last time I saw. That's what I saw last time. Okay, now as you can see, the white center is solved. So the first step for solving a 5 by 5 is to solve the white center. Now flip it up and you will see this yellow center right here. Yeah, that should be facing on top. The top end. Yeah. So now they just do the same thing, but when you're doing this, the white is getting disturbed. So what you do is you turn this around so that this can go vertically down like this, and the white is normal and the line is still there. Just do the same thing with the other one, and now you'll come to a problem where you have one piece left and you cannot spoil this up. So what you do is just just turn it around. You see this one, bring that and turn it back up, and then just do that. So in that way we have cross, plus we even have a white still remaining like that. I am showing you guys, it's like I'm teaching you guys, but just this comes out in a flow. No, just don't mind it. It could be useful if you guys want to learn Rubik's cubes. Okay, could be useful if you guys want to learn Rubik's cubes. Okay, white and yellow both solved. Now we do not want to disturb these white and the yellow ones, so I'm just gonna keep it like this: white and yellow facing each other. White here, yellow here. So now what you do is you solve any color, but I would go with red. Here you can just do it normally, as nothing is getting disturbed, like this. Just nothing is getting disturbed, right? Just do this algorithm. Yeah, just okay. Now the white is solved, white is remained, red is solved, yellow is like that. Now you can go to the next one, but don't do the opposite one, as you will not be able to do green and the yellow one, a blue one then. So do any of the side. It could be either blue or green. So I prefer going with green. So when you're doing this, the yellow is getting disturbed, so do this, sorry, like this. Okay, so in that way green is still like that, and yeah, red is still solved. So do the same with the others as well. Now, as I told you in the before situation with yellow and white, you will have this situation where where the middle, the edge piece is over here, the green piece is, it has to come here. Just do the same thing, like as I told you before. See, it's a cross with the red salt. Now you can just solve the center using this algorithm. Green salt, a red salt. Now you turn like this so that and these two are incomplete, so we have to solve them out. So do the same thing that you did by this thing and this thing and this thing, and just switch it up. So you just do this and then you do this. So blue, orange. Now you just do the algorithm. And just do it. And you guys can see all the centers are solved right now. Now we have to move on to these edges. We have to solve all the edges so that at the end we solve it like a 3 by 3 cube. Get it? Yeah, you just solve it like a 3 by 3. So I will come to you guys when I solve that part. The part where I solve the edges. I will come to the part where when two edges are left, because there are some algorithms need to be done that time. Need to be done that time. I mean. Okay, guys, I've come to a part where there are two edges remaining. You can see, yep, these two. So there's an algorithm instead of just doing stuff. You just There's an algorithm. It's like since this thing, this that's opposite, like red, yellow, yellow, red. It's opposite to each other. So since it's on the left side, you hold. You have to move. As you can see, the other red yellow is over here. So you move this like this, that. You do it this, and the and all the edges are solved. Now you just solve it like a 3 by 3. I mean, last in my episode, so in the first one, that I did a Rubik's cube that blindfolded 3 by 3. So you just do the same way. If you guys noticed me, I mean how I solve it, in the steps, algorithms, everything. If you guys noticed, is same way. It is this ditto same way of how you do it even on a 5 by 5 after all the edges and centers are solved. Just and then just do this. But on a 5 by 5, if you do it, it's gonna take a while because it's big, and my cube is kind of a beginner's cube, so it's gonna take a while. But for speed cubes, like advanced learners, it will take very less time. It's like apparently 3 times less than mine, or maybe 10 times also. Just saying. Then just solve the 3 by 3. Now just bring this here, and then that there, this there, like that. Then you do this, and then just do this. Now you can see the red, yellow, and white are solved. So you just put the red color underneath, and the white should be facing towards you. Just bring this like this. Just do this. Now you can see like everything is solved except for the top part. So just bring it like this, so that the corners are solved, but not the the edges are not aligned. So then you just do this algorithm. Now as you can see, one side is solved and 3 sides are not. So this is where you do this again and again, because it's not solved. As long as it is not solved, you just keep on doing this algorithm, and there you go, it's done. So I've solved it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on those notifications to get further updates. And then until next time, peace.